Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Real nice Guyana. So today we're gonna be making some. We haven't had chicken curry and Isle roti in a long time, so we're gonna make that. It's already late and we're hungry, so we're gonna go make some chicken curry and Isle roti. So join us as we make this delicious meal here today. So here are our ingredients, guys. So we have one whole chicken here. So since we didn't have chicken in such a long time, we're making a lot. So, and we have the flour there. Already added some baking powder, as you can see. So we're gonna get about 8-9 roti here. Roti. And we got our potato, we got our curry powder, jeera, garam masala, and some turmeric there for the curry, onion, garlic, pepper, and our scallion. So when last you had some chicken, let us know in the comments down below, guys. When last you had some nice, tasty chicken curry and roti. So we're gonna cut up the chicken first. We're gonna do the chicken first and then after the roti. Yes, I couldn't believe in this house here we didn't have chicken curry or roti for so long. Even rice, we didn't have chicken curry in the hole for quite a while, and we decided we're gonna have that today. Why not? It's always delicious, right? So as you see, guys, you're removing all the skin. Not good for you. And the fat. And even so, cooking the curry right is gonna taste delicious. You won't miss all the fat in the skin. You see all the fat there, guys? That's all the fat, skin and everything. That's all that's not good for you. So clean as you go. So we're getting the chicken almost finished washing here now. We're gonna be done with it soon. We have our karahi heating up here. We haven't added any oil as yet. Our curry paste now, guys. We are adding the curry powder, garam masala, jeera, and the turmeric there. Time for the potato. So we like to add potatoes to our chicken curry. Tastes even yummier. So we're adding some oil here. So the karahi is hot already. Alright guys, so we are ready here. We got everything ready, our curry paste, which we added some green seasoning to. As usual, onions in first. We're going to fry this up a bit. So we're going in there with the green seasoning now, curry paste. Whoa, smelling good, smelling good. So we're gonna add some salt to this. And this is smelling real nice, guys. Real good. So now here we're gonna leave this to bunje, and then we'll be back in a bit. So while the curry a bunje, we're gonna go knead the flour for the roti. ROTI, paratha roti, the best roti. So how good is your roti making now? Let us know in the comment, guys. If the channel has helped you at all, you have learned to make your roti. Now you're expert roti maker. We love to hear. Drop a comment and let us know, guys. Alright, so that's it there, guys, for the dough. So that's how you make your roti dough. Alright, so Molly has kneaded the flour dough for the roti, so we come back here now and gonna give this a turn. The chicken curry smelling even nicer now, boy. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna cover it back. Okay, so time to roll up the roti, make the loaves up. And this bowl, by the way, was gifted to us by one of our subscribers. Thank you very much. Hey, we got 10 roti. It's a lot of roti, but how you go tonight? Alright, so it's time to give it a rough roll now. Add the oil and make off our loaves. Some oil. A little bit of flour. Okay, so we'll do all the rest and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut up the potatoes. So we're gonna add the potatoes now. So the curry is still bungeing, guys. We haven't added any water as yet. Looking good, eh? Alright. We're gonna cover this back. So the loaf is coming along there. 2 more to go. Alright, so our curry has bungeed for a while, so we're gonna add water now to this. The peppers now. cover it back. So all the loaves have been rolled off. As you can see, Molly has put a damp cloth on it until we are ready, so that keeps it moist. We get a softer roti like that. Cling wrap there, and then we have the damp cloth. Alright guys, so time has come. The curry should be done here now. Curry is done. Let's show you what it looks like. There you go. Potato is boiled. You can add some scallions there now. There you go. Alright, so we're getting ready to cook the roti, roti now. We have our pan heating up here. And we have our loaves there. Been resting for about 20-25 minutes. Have some flour here. Our oil over there to oil the roti. And of course the bell now. Are you ready to roll? Alright, so time to bail the first roti. Alright, so it's time to put the first roti in the towel now. There you go. Right, first roti is done. There you go. Right, roti, wrong. Alright, clapping the roti now. There you go. Alright, so here's our finished chicken curry and the roti here. We got quite a bit of roti, so we got food for a while now. And the chicken curry is looking scrumptious as usual. And check out our roti. As you can see, always nice and fluffy and layery. See that? Okay, so time to try this now. Alright. So, I'm just gonna go try a little bit. Pepper, of course. Love my pepper. Alright. So here we go, guys. Finally time to eat. Oh, nice roti and chicken curry. Piece of the chicken. Smell nice. And tastes nice too. Wow, delicious. Yeah. Decorated the pepper. Delicious. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed a little cooking with us. A nice chicken curry and nice soft fluffy roti. If you like the video, remember to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. See you.